I think I'm back. I'm back, right? You guys can see me, I hope. Please tell me, yo, Synthesis is here. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yo. Seeing everyone say yo, so I guess I'm back. Thank you. Did that crash it briefly? The Bitcoin mob. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. What's up? Yeah, I'm here. Yo, okay, so I did come back. Sorry, guys. I hope that didn't crash it or something. It's a new stream? Really? I thought it was gonna be the same one. Is it a new stream? Did it change streams? It is. Wow, that sucks. Oh, damn, that sucks. Well, I guess it fixed that thing, I hope, because it should be... sorry about that, guys. I didn't mean to crash it. I was really trying to fix this without it crashing the frame rate, and that sucks. Dorvalis, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Sorry, guys. I'm going to keep on going with the stream in a second. Just since it crashed, I need to fix some things real quick. Ah, damn it, dude. That sucks. I'm sorry about that, guys. I really appreciate y'all and the support you're giving here. It came back with the same title, though. That's weird. So that's very awkward. It's all there, man. The same title. Almost everything is still there. So it's just weird that it crashed. It wasn't supposed to crash. Title's a little bit off, but... Note to self, don't move stuff on OBS regarding keyframes when live. I'm sorry about that, guys. That was my bad, for reals. I'm really sorry about that. That shouldn't have happened. I was not trying to crash the stream or anything like that, so extremely sorry about that. I want to keep going in a second, guys. I gotta make sure everything's loaded properly. The chat for me, it's still the same on Restream. Just some things here got moved, so it's all... It didn't save some things. Sorry about having to fix this live, guys. I mean, I'm really sorry about this. Gotta get this thing right. Last thing. There we go. There we go. Right. I did lose a lot of you guys. I was like at 90. Right now I'm at 40 people. I'm sorry about it. Yo, there we go. I'm not getting that error now. So it's fixed. That sucked majorly. If you guys like what we do, hit like the button, sub. Thank you for staying with me. Everything should be fine, I guess. So I'm gonna keep going through the technicals. I'm sorry, guys. Yo, Jake, Jake, if you're here, man. Yeah, you're here. My computer. Oh, your computer froze. Oh, damn. Jake, if you can, like, do me a solid, can you put that we're live on this new video on the Discord, just so whoever was here and we lost can come back. I'm sorry about that, guys. Let's keep rolling. Ethereum, right? Again, the bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. Yeah, thank you, guys. I up next, right? LRC. I hope I didn't miss some of you guys that are like requested coins. So LRC. There we go, man. So yeah, I gotta get the bell hit. Let's keep rolling. Well, LRC developed bearish divergence. Is this the LRC we're looking at? Yeah. All right. LRC. We had some hidden bullish. For some reason, there's data that's not here. It's either not loading or I like probably didn't save the charts from last night or something. It's weird. I did get that warning. I did delete a lot of stuff. I'm just weird that it's not here, right? Engine. Sure, man. It's already on the list. So don't worry about that, right? Anyways. Hidden bullish, trying to get that pop, still above the 20, which is fine. We don't have fibs for this, that's okay. We can get some fibs here from low to high and see where we're at. Low to high. And we are, yeah, we reject the previous high, that's fine. Still trying to get above that 236, which is okay. We did retrace already and try to recover. Stream's so nice, you get a link to it twice. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Thank you for being here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, I didn't mean to crash the stream. It was just my bad, man. I'm sorry about that. King told chat. Well, the chat was still here. The chat didn't drop for me. So that's why I believe this chat didn't drop for me, right? It's still the same. So, you know, even to the super chat here, the $2 super chat, right? So I could still see everything. That's why I thought I didn't drop, and I saw you guys seeing I dropped to drop, and I came online, and it was still the same chat for me. So I was weirded out by that. But let me keep rolling here with the stream. LRC, we had some bearish divergence on it. So from here to here, right, coming up higher on this 4 hour chart. And then we are coming from high to low. We don't have it against RSI, so strong bearish divergence. I should do downside. We move down. Then we create some hidden bullish. That's getting us to pump a little bit, right? And get above that 20. Great. And we're creating bearish divergence. Let's see. High to low. High to low, high to low. Positive, less positive, high to low. Nothing here, dude. Neutral at 4706. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Neutral at 4706. Nothing else besides the hidden bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour. We might have something here. Do you know the meme Se va a cero? No, I don't know it. Jorge saying he didn't go that well today. Yeah, I guess, right. A lot of market, like it started to go down. Like I wasn't like day trading today crypto. You know, I have a set position open, so I'm not touching it right now. I didn't actually buy anything or sell anything today. Right. This is from the 4 hour, and I just forgot to anchor it there. So I'm gonna send that real quick back there. No, it's from the daily. There we go. Should also be from the daily then. So on the 1 hour, right? On the short term, bearish divergence. Or actually, let's just anchor this on the 1 hour, and that'll be fine. And then we're going from high to low. So bearish divergence, potential action downside. And here we actually have way back here. So again, that would be less if I anchored from here, right? So strong bearish divergence against MACD and RSI. Moving down on that, are we creating hidden bullish? I'm not sure. Let's see. Yep, slightly. Very slightly. Low. And slightly higher low. And that move, we're going from negative momentum to more negative momentum. And from a high point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. So yeah, hidden bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. Again, a couple projects have this. And they're going up with that. Ryan, 1 inch. Sure, bro. put on the list. Someone installing the market. Yeah. Wasn't someone else supposed to come into crypto, like BlackRock or some other group? Maybe they want to get a better in, right? A better price in. Thank you all for being here, guys. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Again, we only have 67 people in the house and only 35 likes. If you really like what we're doing here, hit the like. And if you are new to the channel, definitely hit that sub. Gonna keep rolling with this. This is it for LRC, right? Let's go check out Knock. I think this is a new one. Is what? Does someone legit requests this, or am I? Let me check the pre-stream requests. Theta, I already did. CRV, we already did. GRT, we already did. Yeah, NOK and the New YS and the New York Stock Exchange. All right, so it was a company, this one. All right, I didn't write against what, but here we go. That's why I couldn't find it. By the way, Todd, we did do CRV. I hope that answered your question, man. I'm not sure if you're still in this chat with us, but I know you were on the previous one. But I hope that, you know, did answer your question there. Yeah, someone requested it. I'm actually gonna look at this on the daily. I did do insanely pump, dude. What? Why? It's going higher, so higher, more positive. Nothing bearish here on the daily. Let's go on the weekly. High, low, positive, less positive, high on their side to a lower point slightly. The last thing we had here was this bearish divergence for actually the downside. Maybe from here to here. Some hidden bullish. What's going on, TCG Vibes? Thanks for being here, man. What about Ava? It's not on the list yet, man. You can request it. Ave? Sure, man. Yep, I got it. It's gonna go on the list right now. Thank you for requesting Ave. There we go. Yo, what's up, Young Kangi? How's it going, man? Thanks for being here. They can buckle markets. Yeah. Thank you, Alan Luciani. Yeah. Right. So again, hidden bullish pumping $4.85, but it's good, man. It's better. It's still like a bruise, but a little bit swollen, but she can move it, and she was able to, like, you know, be a little bit normal today with I needing to go to the doctor. Doctor just told her to take some anti-inflammatories and painkillers, and that's it. So she's fine. Right. Should you hold XLM? That's entirely up to you, man. I cannot give you advice to what you should hold or shouldn't hold. So let's get some fibs out here for Nokia. I think this is a local high. As a local low. Just that. Here. There we go. So we're breaking above that 76, which is fine. Again, this is probably pumping on news, right? When a stock goes up that much, it should be on news or something. Wow, I'm not finding anything for Nokia actually, which is weird. I didn't find anything in a quick search, so probably news, right? The stocks do tend to pump more on fundamentals also. So the earnings are going to be coming out soon, February the 4th, so about 10 days or so. Let's see how they're going to do, man. There's probably some rumors or something happening that's making it pump a little bit. Or it could be, you know, people are saying them guys from Wall Street Bets, which could potentially also be it. We went to buy 20 of XLM just for the hell of it. That's it for Nokia, dude. I'm not really finding a lot here that I can chart with. Again, not a lot on the technicals, at least what I usually look for on the quickest things for setups or entries. Hidden bullish, that's it. Nothing bearish right now. Just bought at 64.64. Gonna move to the next one. Yeah, it's a new virtual reality, augmented reality headset. Interesting. That could be something, right? I mean, Nokia being pumped by Wall Street Bet, retail versus big money. It could be, man. Like if these guys really start doing a U-turn on the rest of the markets against, like, you know, the guys who are like really shorting them and really trying to screw the markets, they're gonna really do a lot of damage to big companies. They're not gonna be happy, and you know what's probably gonna happen, right? Someone's gonna launch an investigation into Wall Street Bets. You'll start seeing a lot of things with market manipulation, etc., and they're going to go after little guys and, you know, the big companies that are still doing damage to other companies, right? Like the big groups and hedge funds, etc. They're still going to be free to do whatever they want. So it's going to be like, it could be a tight or weird thing happening for Wall Street Bets if they, like, if people like come together to say that they're doing market manipulation. So it's not going to be fun, right? If they open an investigation, there's some people that could get arrested and probably go to jail. So it's going to be interesting. 88 to the dollar. Two hedge funds lost 1.6 billion on Friday, cover shorts. Yep. They're not going to be happy, right? Hey, you're in Adele. Thanks for being here. Much appreciated. Julian Kurtz, hi. TV Music. Inverse win inverse on right shoulder. On Nokia, maybe. I didn't look for head and shoulders, but could be. Let me go back to it just to make sure. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Would you comment on using trading bots and maybe give some tips? I signed up on 3 commas but just haven't had time to learn how to use it yet.
Yo, Todd, thank you very much for the awesome tip, dude. Much appreciated. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. Thank you very much for that. I don't use trading bots, so I'm not sure, dude. I never used a trading bot to do trading. I always bought and sold my own. So I'm not sure what I should tell you, man. There's a lot of companies that offer trading bots. There's companies that have approached me asking for me to, you know, do stuff with them regarding trading bots. And all I've said I'm not interested at the moment. I don't like using trading bots, dude. I really like to do my own trading. Trading bots are quicker, but I never used one, dude. I never, like, you know, yeah, trading bots can be complex. And yeah, like Jake says, he tries to code his own scripts. That'd be the smartest thing to do. Code your own scripts, see what you're doing with that. Yo, what's up, Daniel? Thanks for being here. So I'm not using bots, dude, mainly because I'm not programming them. And if you can get static from like someone else programming and you don't know what it's doing, you're not gonna know how to adjust it. So I don't use bots. Nicole says he likes him as yeah, I see the head and shoulders that you were saying here, by the way. I'll show that because I wasn't looking for that when I was looking at this. I was just looking for something else, but you know, some quick stuff. But I'll just highlight it real quick. So this is one. This is one head and shoulders inverse. So it's like a head and shoulderception, right? It's like a double head and shoulders. And then let's do this one here. And it's gonna be another larger shoulder. Like this. Not gonna look as pretty, but. And oh snap, remove that. This would be the head. And then this would be like the other big shoulder, right? So yeah, it's like a head and shoulders within a head and shoulders inverse. So that could have some potential for action. The outside neckline here would have been from here to... Wow, that neckline would be horrible actually. That would be going like this. I don't like this as a head and shoulders. This is a horrible neckline. Well, I don't like that. Then the other head and shoulders is here, and this neckline looks a little bit more reasonable, I guess, but still not that good. So I'm gonna have to go with the wicks here on this one. Just gonna count that if I use the body, it's really skewed. So yeah, not liking this one as a head and shoulders, but it's playing out like a head and shoulders, right? It could play out like a head and shoulders. A movement up here, potential target to 5.17, and then here I'm gonna go with the wicks then, I guess. It'll still be more or less the same thing, so not quite reaching that on the head and shoulders. We'll see. Apostolic, how's it going, bro? Thanks for being here. Silica, sure, man. Just like do add the Stellar Crypto Silica, and I'll put it in the list, man, for sure. But thank you for being here, and much appreciated. I haven't seen you in a while. I hope you're good, man. Link up, sure, man. Jorge, you living? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Really, thanks for the tip, dude, and confirming that, you know, Super Chat was working on the last test that we did, you know. I really, really appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. Let me say anything here. Nope. Right on. So, again, that's it for Nokia. Let's go to ADA. Right, ADA is still consolidating, still within its range, 3702 to 3388. Went down, hit that 20, finding support for the third day in a row almost. Again, hidden bullish still there, neutral at 57.97. Nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Last time we called was this hidden bullish. We pumped a little bit, felt to go higher in the reverse high. Thus we're dropping. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing here that is bullish, right? Nothing bullishness. Nothing on the bullishness right now. Missing a line here somewhere. I wonder if this is from the 1 hour. Yep, that's from the 1 hour. So last thing we had was this hidden bullish. Is this also from the 1 hour, maybe? Might be from the 1 hour, dude. Maybe we didn't call anything here. Oh, hi. 46, 47. No, we didn't call anything here. Wow. Cool. So nothing on the 4 hour still. Let's go to the 1 hour. And here's where we had the magic happening. Right on. Here it is. Okay, hidden bullish. That's the last thing we called. And with that, we took a pump. Rejection, try to take a pump again, and rejection again. So let's see what we're doing here. Still in the channel, right? High, low, positive was positive, and then high, low, positive was positive. High, low, and lower. Great. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low, high, low. Nothing here, dude. Zoom in here. Maybe something on this last bit. Yeah, strong bullish divergence on this last bit. Just like a couple of the projects that we've seen today, right? Strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside, and that's it. Neutral. Sorry, are we neutral? Yeah, neutral. 40.08. Let's keep rolling. This is for ADA, right? Potential bounce right now on strong bullish divergence. Let's go DNT. Hey Daniel, yeah, I did Binance already. I'll take a recap in a second, right? Whenever I get through Keep, I'll do Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then Binance, right? Thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit like the button sub. We have like 89 people in the house and only 49 likes. Thank you for being here. DNT, man, at 11.14 cents. Sideways, right? We have positive momentum here somewhere. Nope, this is all negative, but we're still making right. That works, I guess. Right, negative, more negative momentum. Yeah, no problem, Nicole. Thank you for being here. Awesome. Hammer times. Oh, what's up? All kinds of YouTubers put out ADA and dot videos like a week ago. I think YouTubers are the new news. By the rumors, sell the news. Maybe, dude. I don't do that, but thanks. Anyways, I'm looking at here at some potential hidden bullish divergence like that. And part of the reason that DNT, it's probably stalling. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. And again, sideways motion, that's what we'll be expecting, and more or less that's what it's looking like right now. Below that 20, neutral at 45.63. Those were the 4 hour. The 4 hour we had this sort of flag, you know, it just broke it and we're moving sideways, as you can tell. Like, this is very obvious sideways motion, right? We're not doing anything here, so I'm not expecting to see a lot on this chart. Even the strong bullish divergence from here to here probably is not going to play out that strong. Negative. That's negative, right? Neutral. Right now at 44.49. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on the such a hard point. Again, nothing else here besides this strong bullish. Do we have hidden bearish? Yeah, it looks like we have hidden bearish. From here to here and from here to here, right? Hidden bearish divergence. And this time we also have it against the RSI. That's it. So that's part of the reason that we're also stalling. Probably starting to move down slightly, but not too much. Neutral at 44.94. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Dorvalis, what a long day. Music makes you want to move, yeah. RDD, sure, man. Put in the list. Yeah, it's pretty tight music. It does fill up those awkward silences. If I had no music, it would be like a completely different stream, I guess. Because I do sometimes tend to stay quiet, so I think a little bit. I do talk a lot, I know, but I also try to stay quiet. I'm feeling, actually today I feel really tired. For some reason I don't feel like I have the usual amount of energy that I have throughout all the streams, right? Forces like Wall Street Bets will not allow Bitcoin to drop below the Michael Saylor level. Glutamatergic neuron. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. One second, guys. I'm not sure Bitcoin can get to 27K, dude. I think we're going to have some support before we actually drop to those levels. Still yet to be determined, right? One quick second. What's my next prediction for ADA? Needs to break out of that sideways motion, bro. Right? We're just within the channel, that 37 cent to 33 cent, man. It needs to break it. Let's see where we breaks it first, and then we'll try to come up with a potential target. Puppy Pizza, bro. Ethereum. I'm gonna go back to it in a second, bro. Just give me a second. Gotta finish DNT and then Kip, and that's gonna be. Then I'll do recaps, right? You about to go to bed? Oh, give me a second, man. I'll try to move quickly then. Look at this, right? Low, high. Hello. Right, and then this last bit also. That's it. Strong bearish divergence, potential action downside, moving down on that. Counter pump failed there, and we did have that hidden bullish though, right, for that pump to happen. Even against the RSI, right? I think the small pump high, low, positive was positive, high on the other side, the lower point. I think bearish here. Oh, it's slightly higher, dude. We might have some hidden bearish. Hidden bearish divergence for action to downside. That sucks. Anyways, that is what's moving us down here. Are we creating something bullish? Let's see. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Low, negative, more negative. Are we more negative though? About the same. 40444. 41, slightly more negative. Also lower on the other side. Nothing bullish right now. Again, bouncing probably with the rest of crypto. Right, and Bitcoin moving up, so yeah. Neutral at 42.97. That's it for DNT, dude. Hello, Tristan. How's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Dirty D, yo, 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 what's up? We haven't gotten to it, Alan. It's on the list. We're gonna get there in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins, man. That's gonna be the 7th project. There's a list. I'm moving through everything. So that's it for the NT. Let's move on to Keep. All right. That wick, it's messing with the perspective of the chart. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing on the daily. Neutral at 59.99. Let's go to the 4 hour. Low, lower, low, high. That's fine. We had the hidden bullish, sorry, hidden strong bullish divergence. Fraction of the upside. We started to pump on that. That's fine. Let's see if we're doing something here. High, low. Oscillos positive, high, low. Nothing bearish. Neutral at 52.97 on the 1 hour. Yeah. What? Who's central? Me? What? I'm not sure what you guys are talking about. Oh, Nicole is asking something. What time zone am I in? I mean, the one that streams late. Thanks. I'm at 9 p.m. Central. That's when I start. I'm Central time zone. Yep. For me, it's also late. It's already 10:48. Kip, let's do this, man. Up higher. Came down lower. And also from here to here. So strong bearish divergence, extra downside moving down on that. We're probably creating some hidden bullish. Yes, we are. Low to high, and from here, right? Negative or negative. We don't have it against RSI, I believe. Let's see. Nope. Don't have it against RSI, but neutral at 42.41. It's 10:48 Mexico City. Yep. I'm on Central Time. Spike the coffee. My eyes look great. I'm tired, man. It's been a long day. I've been working on a lot of stuff, so. Anyways, that's it for Kib, right? Some hidden bullish. Let's see if we can materialize this into a pump. Again, sometimes hidden bullishes fell, right? This could keep on dropping more. Right? Let's keep on dropping more. Make more negative momentum still. And still have hidden bullish. So let's wait for it to develop. I'm gonna leave the chart on Bitcoin real quick. Gotta get more water. I'm almost out of water. And I'm gonna see if the wife can hook me up with a coffee. That's gonna be awesome. And I'll be right back. So give me one quick second. Bitcoin at 32,000, by the way. Someone was saying that Bitcoin was clawing too. It is now above 32,060. So yeah, again, hidden bullish, right? Coming into play. Be right back. I'm back. Thank you for being here, guys, and see you through that small intermission. I already got my coffee order. The wife's gonna start preparing it. She's awesome. She's awesome support during the night, and I am gonna keep on looking at stuff. So let's keep moving. Let's go to what are we gonna go to? Guy Freak Neo? Sure. So I'm going on the list right now. I don't think we've done Neo yet, so. Actually gonna close the list today at Neo. I'm feeling really, really tired. We'll see. I'll close it for now. And we'll see how I'm doing by the time I'm moved through Neo. That's it. We'll see. Once I finish Neo, we'll see if we taking a couple more requests. But for now, let's say I'm feeling really burned. So I might want to take a break. And earlier today, the stream than usual. Once we finish Neo, and there's still stuff I gotta work on. I mean, the fact that I just stopped streaming doesn't mean like I'm done with stuff. I still gotta talk with Soka. We're working on a lot of stuff. Hi, Calvin. How's it going, man? Thank you for being here. I still gotta work on a lot of stuff for the stream, so you know, still gotta keep on going. Let's do Ethereum now. Let's keep rolling. Ethereum. It's snowing in San Diego. Yeah, it's also snowing in Arizona, dude. It's crazy. Will it remain in the ground, Dorvalis? I think like you guys don't get to keep the snow, right? But that's gonna be tight if you can have a snowball fight with your kid. Ethereum also pumping, right? Had that strong bullish that we talked about at the beginning of the stream. If you don't believe me, go to the beginning of the stream and you'll see that we were talking about like maybe we'll go to here and we create strong bullish divergence, and then maybe we pump and pumping on strong bullish right now. Great. Arizona, not San Diego, maybe. Yeah. Let's keep rolling. That's Ethereum. Someone said Binance, so let's do a recap of Binance real quick. Again, right when I do recaps, I'm just gonna go over the last hour. So it also created that strong bullish divergence that we were looking for with the other projects, right? Like Ethereum and the rest. Ethereum et al. So there we go. Strong bullish, pumping on that. Great. Let's do XMR now. XMR 137.51. Great. By the way, guys, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button and sub. If you're into the channel, definitely sub. What? Something closed here that shouldn't have closed. Sorry, I gotta bring something up here. One of my windows closed for some reason. And I need that window open. Where did it go? Here it is. Sorry about that, guys. Nicole Santoro, do I take profits? Yes, I take profits sometimes, depending on whether or not I need to take profits. I do try to take profits. But sometimes it depends on whether or not I need to have money on hand. If I need to have money on hand, if the market's still running, I'll still let it run. But if I do need to take money and I'm profitable in a position, I'll definitely take profits from that position. So yeah, I take profits. And if I do believe there's going to be a hard crash coming, I would also be taking profits, right? So that way I can buy more with the same amount when it drops lower. What? Epic Shadowy. $4 for coffee. Thank you very much, man. I really, really appreciate that $4 tip, man. Donation. It's so cool, man. Thank you very much for that, man. It's pretty cool. Stonka Tunnel, thank you for being here. I'm not sure why I feel so tired today, man. It's just been a weird day. It's just been one of those days where, like, you know, today I really struggled to get out of bed. And it's rare for me to, like, struggle to get out of bed. I just felt, like, really burned out, I guess. Anyways, still stuck between the same channel, that 29 cent to 24 cent area. It's sitting at 25.97 on XLM, which for me is really good because I got a lot of free XLM a while back. And it's just sitting there and it's been worth a lot of money. I'm gonna open the door real quick. Coffee's here. One quick second. I'm back. No, I didn't get the free XLM from Coinbase. I got the free XLM from blockchain.com. They actually hooked people up with some free XLM. I also bought a little bit of XLM, but not a lot. I like my size. My position of XLM is not sizable at all. It's just free money, dude. Buff Mo, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. What? It's swelling up a little bit right now, but it's been yeah, it's been there. I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin after I finish 1 inch on this round, and then we're gonna move on to the next wave, which is gonna be Avasilica, Link Up, RDD, and Neo. You had COVID? You were tired? Yeah, I doubt I had COVID, dude. I just only go out to the supermarket and I'm stuck in the house all the time, so not likely COVID. I just like the first day that I woke up feeling tired, so. And the thing is, I've been staying up super late also, right? So I don't go to sleep when the stream's over. I stay up for a couple more hours, doing other stuff, and then, you know, by the time I go to bed, it's like 2, 3 in the morning. I have to wake up really early, so my schedule's been shifting a lot since the stream started to pick up a lot of momentum. Before I used to be, like, the stream used to end like 10, 12, 11 latest, and right now it just goes until 1 in the morning most of the time, so. Anyways, let's go to Monero. I did XLM. Why did I type XLM? XMR, here we go. Monero. On the daily, there we go. All right, so low, lower, negative, less negative. All right, some strong bullish divergence here. Haven't looked at Monero in a while. Last time we looked, we had this bearish divergence move down. Great. Low, lower. We have an upsloping channel in Monero. We knew we could get a potential bounce. So it's fine. We got there with strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, and we got that small pump. Great. We're rejecting that 25% line, right? So it's 0, 25, 50, 75, 100. Equidistant rising channel. Neutral at 43.19. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Nicole Santoro. No, this is not my full-time job. I do a lot of things. I do BDM for a Swiss company in Mexico. That's like a full-time job. I used to be a trader before for Glencore and Markets Investments. And then after that, you know, I went to banking industry for a while. Now I'm with doing business development. But I do day trading in the morning, and then I do this at night. So I do keep busy. And no, it's not my full-time job. Like, I don't earn enough in YouTube to pay the bills yet, so. Try Coinbase, bro. Yeah. Let's do this, right? What are we doing here? Last thing we had was this bullish divergence back here. We did take that small pump, and that's great. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. High, low, low, high. Right, some hidden bearish here. Hidden bearish to here, and then I do believe we're going to have some strong bearish shorter term. Let me actually make this larger. Yeah, I like the BDM job, but like right now with COVID, it's just kind of stagnant. So, not really traveling a lot, not seeing a lot of clients, not going to any conventions. So it's kind of like, yeah, a little bit dull when that's not going on. It's just like day-to-day office work, but at home. So at least during the small breaks or free times that I have throughout the day, I do stuff for the stream, so it's pretty good. I'm streaming from Mexico, yes. Thank you for asking. Anyways, strong bearish divergence, action to downside. We don't have anything else here. Neutral at 44.52. Let's go to the 1 hour. Where are we at here? I forgot the anchor. Damn it. It's the lack of caffeine. I'm glad that I now have caffeine in my power. You shall power me, caffeine. Right, so low, high, positive, more positive, right? Low, high. Everything here is good. She's very short term here, some bearish divergence. I don't like it when it's like this on a very, very small move. It's not that great, right? Low, high, and then negative, more negative. What?
Thanks for what do, buddy. You thinking BTC will break that lower support box around 29-31K first or hit 35K again? Immediate future?
Yo, Dirty D, thank you very, very much for that awesome tip, dude. I really appreciate that. I'll answer your question. Just give me a second to go back to Bitcoin, and I'll explain it to you right after I finish XMR. I'm almost done with it. Hidden bullish against MACD, not against the RSI. Potential action to the upside. We did pump. Fell to drop lower in the previous low. Could give continuation to the bullishness on Monero. That's what I'm looking for right now. If we drop lower, right, then this previous low, we're going to be going from negative to less negative. Strong bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside, right? So that's going to be it for Monero. Let's go back to Bitcoin to answer that question. Right, so you're asking me if Bitcoin will break lower support around 29 to 30K, 31K first, or hit 35K again. Right. Let's go on the daily, man. Let's see where we have supports and resistances to the upside. So, right now, I do believe we're consolidating this level, the 33K. Right, we moved down. We're just moving sideways right now, consolidating. I'm not getting any clear indicators yet as to where we could go, right? We have the hidden bullish. It's not really performing strongly to the upside. It could give, would have thought that the bearishness or some kind of bearishness could be in control for the short term. We are above the 31,000 area, which is okay. We're holding support where we held support before, and it's really becoming this area that we held support here before. So if we manage to pump and break above the 33K and actually break above 34,400, I mean, we're going to be very close to your 35,000 level, but I really want Bitcoin to be above 34,438. It's going to be better for it. Being at this level, it really puts it in that position where like a fall wouldn't be bad, but also a pump wouldn't be bad, right? We're like on the middle ground. To downside again, we have support at 31,432. Below that, we have support at 30,600, and then below that, 29,000. But when we go onto the other charts, particularly this one, I think did I have fibs in this one? I think this one I had short fibs that were breaking. Yeah, this one's the short fibs. So this one has larger fibs. We have some support at the fib node here at 29,697, and we're within this area. Again, even within the fibs, where the move could go to 34,230 on a movement up to face rejection, or it could come down to 29,697 to hold support, right? So we're like I said, we're in that middle ground. Now, if I go into the 4-hour, we also are within a potential fallen wedge, and the fallen wedge, we're not yet at the point we're going to break it. This line is not where we're going to break it. It's just I was taking a measure, see where it could potentially take us depending on when we break it. But being on that fallen wedge could get us to drop even lower than that 29,000 area at the 318 fib node. Sorry, did I call it 318? The 382, sorry. And the drop all the way down here to 28,200 maybe. And that'll still be within the fallen wedge, right? If it is that we are within a fallen wedge. The other way of thinking about this is that we are within a triangle that we broke out of. We've tested it once. We tested it twice, rejecting breaking back into the triangle or seeing that line as a potential resistance. And on that rejection, we're moving down, that measure move. We broke 8 hours before I had marked the breaking point, actually. And that move could get us to around 19,500, right? So you're asking me where I think it's going to go. I really think it's going to depend on whether or not we hold support. Here we also have a support at 30,600, which is very close to the target that you're calling for, right? So those are some of the things that I'm seeing. So 31K, I think we can get there real quick. We're actually closer to 31K than we are to 35K, right? But what we had here was this hidden bearish divergence that's moving us down. Again, we're holding on support at 31,400. So if you're asking me 31,000, 29,000, I would tell you we're already hit the 31K area. Right now we're trying to bounce, but we still don't know what kind of bounce we're going to do. In the 1 hour, we had this hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. And in the 30-minute chart, we had strong bullish divergence, which should be getting us to go to the upside. We could get a potential cross here of the MACD over the signal line. We're below the 0 line and probably above the 200 moving average here. And that could give an entry if we're above that 200. Let me check. Oh, we're below. But by the time we cross, we might be above, and that could be a potential good end. As that would make positive momentum, and it could bind in on the MACD strategy. So, again, if you're asking me where we're going to go, I do believe we have a lot of resistance to the upside to get to 35K, and to get to 29K is just 2 lines that we need to break. Right. So, right now, I would tell you that we are on that undecided point. Where we're holding support at this area. We have not broken. We broke it briefly and we rejected. So like I've told you, the upside and the downside, and it's there, man, right? It can really go either way right now. And also the Bollinger Bands are expanded, right? A lot. So the top of the Bollinger Bands is almost at 35K. That would be a moving up. And the we're at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. So usually Bollinger Bands, how they work is you go top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Well, he double top, right? 1, 2. Then bottom. We could go to the bottom again. There's nothing that says that. We here went to the bottom and then to the bottom again. We should be aiming to go to the top of the Bollinger Bands on a potential move. So we'll see. All right, that's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. Again, it's undecided right now for me. And I know it doesn't answer your question precisely, but at least you can probably know where it could go upside or downside, right? Yeah. Anyways, let's keep rolling. Up next, Uni. That coffee is really doing the trick, dude. It's picking me up, so that's good. It was funny, though. The coffee almost came at the same time that that cigar with the coffee mug came through from Epic Shadowy. That was really good, man. Let's go to Uni. How's that for timing? I know, dude. Cat Free, thanks for being here from Twitch. Awesome. You traded your mid light to Uni? That's interesting. Yeah, it is blowing up, dude. Let's go on the daily. Uni. We're looking for bearish divergence. We did move down yesterday, right? So that's there. Now, we just had this bearish divergence against the RSI here. Now in the short term, and we haven't even tried to bounce more, this would drag onto there, and this would drag onto there, and we would still say that we have that strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? I feel like a zombie on speed after 10 Red Bull. What? Did we cover sale? Not yet. Apostolic Mind. It's going to be on the next wave. Right now, I'm on the XMR, Uni, Engine, Ergo, and 1 inch. After that, I'll do a quick recap, and then it's going to be Avis, SIL, Link Up, RDD, and Neo. Right? There's a lot of coins on the list tonight. This chat's more sensitive than your Twitter. I'm sorry, Christian Cryptic. I'm not sure why the bot target that. Let me know in the Discord so I can fix the bot. Again, it's a new bot. We started messing around with it a couple weeks ago. It's still not fine-tuned. I'm not sure why you got banned, or why not why you got banned, but why you got censored. But let me know. It's on the list. It's gonna be coin 21. Right now we're in coin 17. So it's almost there, right? Thank you, Renato, for asking for that. Anyways, Uni, still have that strong bearish divergence, potential for action downside. Yesterday we did move down. We're recovering very nicely today. Let's go to the 4 hours, see what we had. We didn't have anything on the 4 hours. Right now we still don't have anything. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Bought at 69.88. Last thing we had was this strong bullish back here. And that's fine for Uni. Let's go to the 1 hour. You know, whatever we had, I think we lost. Then here we had strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We did move down, and then today on the 6 p.m. candle, we just took a massive pop, dude, right? We printed the massive green candle. So, it's coming up higher. It's definitely coming down lower here, and also lower here on the RSI. So again, more strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Again, the trend overall is bullish, and that could be a reason for bearish indicators to not play out, right? Carefree. What non-market factors are driving Uni up? That's what I want to know, dude. I'm not looking for non-market factors right now. I haven't read any news for Uni, bro. I really wish there was something else moving it. Are the Bitcoin bulls heading to Uni? I doubt it. Anyways, dude, that's it for Uni, right? We had the bearish divergence. We moved down. Did we create some hidden bullish? We probably created hidden bullish. Yep, we did. Low to high. Negative. More negative. And then on the RSI also, right? High to low. Hidden bullish. Took that pop. That could be the reason for the pop. Not this strong pop, but, you know, I'm not sure why we took this massive pop of 13%, dude. That's insane. I mean, hidden bullish can get us high, but this is insane, right? The song makes you want to go to rave. Bernardo Costa can never miss the live stream. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Not too many people joined tonight. We only have 77 people on live. We usually get over 200. Right now we got 100. Probably because the markets are boring, right? Usually people just want to be here when crypto's pumping, but then it's too late. If you're not here, you don't catch the pumps, right? The old people are like, what's it pumping? Can I still get in? Can I still get in? Is it too late to buy in? Yeah, if you would have been here like earlier, you would have known the possibilities, right? So thank you for being here, guys. It's awesome that you guys are here. I appreciate y'all. That's it for Uni right now. Some bearish divergence, potential action to the downside, right? Caffrey says, right now it's not the time to buy Bitcoin. I'm shadowy. 100 Uni. Yep. That's it. Let's go engine. Like, sometimes it's boring, dude. I started this in a bear market. It was a struggle, dude. There was like no one when I was doing this. Like, I struggled with like like doing streams for no one for a long time. I think Soka was the only one here. He's been here since the stream one, since like stream number 1, and it's cool. Yeah, people are usually showing for the dumps and the pumps. But I thank you guys for being here. It's really cool that you guys are here, for reals. I appreciate y'all. That's it for Uni. Let's go to engine, dude. At 44.39. What do we have here, man? I don't think we called anything here. On the daily, we didn't have anything. Now we do have something on engine. Some strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. This is nice, actually. Look, we went high above the 100%, the previous high that we had here. Now we came down, hit it as support, and now we're rejecting it, which is kind of cool. I mean, we still have strong bearish divergence, but that means potential action to the downside, right? And let's go here on the MACD. Is it going lower? No, it's going slightly higher. We just have it against the RSI. Guy Frick doing happy face. Andrew just got into Bitcoin at 32.50. Wow, good luck, Andrew. Horse, gonna go to sleep. 6 a.m. already. Oh, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Let's go. Keep on going through engine. Overbought at 70.71. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right on. The 4 hour chart, we had the hidden bullish. For potential action to the upside, that's fine. What's some in here? I don't think we did. We didn't do this one yesterday, I think. I don't think we did it yesterday. High. Slightly higher high. Then high to low, right? Or positive was positive, high to low. So bearish divergence, strong potential action down. So we move down, hit that 20, held support, and popped once more. And so from here, there's two lines I'm gonna draw. This one here for the RSI, right? High to low still. And on the MACD, I'm gonna draw a different one, I think. So it's gonna be high to low. And it's going low to high, right? On the price. So it's strong bearish divergence, but against the RSI, it's on a different timeline, and then against the MACD, it's on a different timeline also. So MACD, it's from here to here, and then the RSI is from here to here. But strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We move down, hitting that support at the previous 100%, and trying to bounce with the rest of crypto. Let's go engine on the 1 hour. Right on. High, higher, positive, more positive. High on the other side to hard point, nothing bearish here. Strong bullish here before that move to the upside, right? So from here to here. Right here. Action to the upsides, right? So we're taking that pump, that's fine. Short term, bearish divergence, strong on this last bit. Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside, went down, hit that 20. Holding support there right now, starting to move down a little bit. Don't have anything else except that strong bearish divergence right now. So that's it for engine. Right, moving to the downside would get us to previous 100% high here at 42.20, and then to the upside we'll be looking for a go at the 1618. And let's see where that's at on the daily. 61.03 cents. Right now, like I said, at 44.43 cents. Let's go check out Ergo. Ergo didn't come with a market, and I'm not finding it here as a crypto. So if you requested Ergo, please clarify. I'm going to skip it for now until we get clarification as to what Ergo we're supposed to be looking at, right? I'm not sure who requested Ergo. Someone requested Ergo earlier. I don't write who requested them. I just write out what coin's being requested, but it might be too new, right? Was that the one we got a tip for on the prior stream? Someone like gave a tip and said, do this coin whenever you get a chance? Or was it Engine? I think it was Engine that got requested with the tip. Because it was listed on a Japanese market or something. So that could have potential. That's what the question was, right? So, yeah. Thank you, Nick Coltish. You were the one that requested this with the tip. It could be, I mean, Japanese market. Let me go back to Engine to answer that. So before I move on to Ergo. Sorry, bro. I just saw your comment regarding the Japanese market having on this. So let's check it. When did Japan open? Japan opened around 6, 7, probably around this time. So it's not having a full-on effect right now, right? Yeah, Nick said that earlier. I had to remember that, but it's not. We're not seeing it listed yet, or did it already get listed somewhere? Or they just got the green light? Because I'm not seeing any potential pump of that. Actually, still a small dump. Maybe sometimes with crypto is one of those buy the rumor, sell the news. So it could have been running from back here on rumors of that happening, right? This is not that far off. This actually January the 21st, so it's like 4 days ago, and it could be running up on those rumors, right? And it'll just start tonight or tomorrow. So we're not really seeing it listed. It could take off right once it gets listed. But usually what we see is that prior to listings, we see the price go up because people want to get into the project. Once it gets listed, we usually see the price sometimes take a quick pump and then a drop throughout the day, right? So just keep that in mind that people that are getting into the project are probably going to be taking profits as soon as it gets listed and starts to get pumped by the Japanese market. And people on other markets might start selling off, right? That's usually what we see happening with the projects that get listed. Anyways, I couldn't find Ergo, so I'm going to go to 1 inch. Yeah, thank you, Guy Freak. It's your pet investment. It's so cute. Well, just like, you know, it usually happens, right? That they do an insane pump on a day, and then hours after it opens, you know, and pumps, and just see the crash. That usually happens on Binance. Then after a couple days, it might recover a little bit. But still yet to be determined, right? That's usually about what happens. Right. Let's go to 1 inch. Oh, look, 1 inch is at $2. It's now turning into a 2-inch chubby. Boomer would be happy for this. He got a lot of 1 inch. Boomer liked his 1 inch. I'm not sure where Boomer is. I hope he's doing good. Starting to flag here a little bit. Impulsing up, getting above its previous 100%. Now starting to bounce there, which is fine. Again, nothing wrong about that. Nothing bearish also on the daily. Taking a bounce at the 20 and the 3 to 2 and then cover nicely. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, bullish divergence action to the upside. High higher, positive more positive. High. Are we going lower than this previous high? Gonna have to check number. 74.45, 74.35. Slightly lower. I have to cue the playlist again. I think we're running out of tracks. We're running out of tracks, man. It's just in the 4 hour. See how the music fills that awkward silence? What I'm thinking and doing. Start with this one. Cardigo saying something interesting here. The 5-minute candles and Ethereum Bitcoin correlation at the moment. Japanese will be up early. SoftBank will endorse Engine due to their business model. Interesting. I'm not that up to date with Engine's business model. I'm actually going to put it here on my research list. And see what's up with that. Also, if you haven't seen that little ticker over there move, it's because for some reason Super Chat is not added up to the tip goal. Like just tips that come through fiat and crypto get added to it. I'm not sure why that is, but it's something that's the way, like, you know, Stream Elements manages tips. So like if I wanted to, I would need to get like a different goal for Super Chats, and then it will be like something different that needs to be added, right? It doesn't add them up like regular tips and fiat from Super Chats. It's just weird, but that is it, right? I'll try to get another tip goal up there. We'll see, right? Let's keep on going with 1 inch. Engine is releasing a game in March. Ooh, interesting. You can find and buy. You can find and earn coins in game. That's gonna be cool, Nick. Soka, check that out, man. I know you like gaming, so check out Engine, dude. Let's talk about it tomorrow, Soka. 1 inch. Nothing here else that is bullish right now. Again, strong bearish, starting to move down a little bit, holding support, trying to bounce. Might have something on the 1 hour. Let's go there, man. So high, higher, positive, less positive, high to low, right? Strong bearish divergence, actually the downside. Then we created some hidden bullish. That's where we held support and bounce. Because of the hidden bullish divergence. I can't wait for the stream deck to come in and I can add a soundboard to this. Hidden bullish divergence, taking a pump, failed to go higher than the previous high, thus continuation of the bearishness. Now we're trying to drop, but we failed to drop lower than the previous low. And we can start to consolidate this area quickly. We're rejecting the 20. We could even come lower still and do some strong bullish divergence like Ethereum printed earlier. And that could be pretty cool, right? Soka knows about engine. Let's talk about it tomorrow, man. I want to get into it now. That's it for 1 inch. Let's go to Aave. Yeah, no worries, dude. A lot of people want 1 inch. A lot of people dig 1 inch. Sorry, before I go into Aave, recap of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sorry, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then we'll keep rolling. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit. That's fine. Nothing there. Not really strong pullback yet, but you know, let's see if we can manage to keep on materializing the strong. So here we had hidden bullish. On the half hour, we had strong bullish. Let's see if we can materialize this into a stronger pump right now. Ethereum at 1,331. It's trying to reclaim its turf. It is. It's more or less behaving like Bitcoin. So. One inch is the future. Yeah, a lot of people like the 1 inch. I think Boomer got their airdrop or something. He got like a lot of 1 inch. Not sure if he sold all, but he got a lot of 1 inch. Let's go to Aave, dude. On the daily. We were looking for bearish divergence. Oh, we pulled back. Great. Now we're trying to pull back up. Again, it's following the, what other coin that we looked at? The Uni? It's behaving a little bit like Uni, right? We had that same drop, but Uni was still green right now and created more bearish divergence. It's still recovering also. So again, following Uni a little bit, which is interesting. Overbought at 72.48. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We had this hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside, taking that pump, high, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. We don't have anything bearish here, do we? Yeah, against the RSI, we do. Great. From here to here. Right, so strong bearish divergence, potential to the downside, moving down slightly. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a hard point. We're starting to bounce. We might have something here on the 1 hour that it's giving us some kind of bullish divergence fraction to the upside. We'll see that in a second. Bought at 66.35. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Near is the future of this. Maybe, I'm not sure. A lot of coins are said to be the future. Here we had this hidden bullish, took that small pump, failed to go higher than the previous high, dropping on that. And again, hidden bullish, one of those things that can't keep on tracking. Look, this is a perfect example of how hidden bullish divergence keeps on tracking. Had the hidden bullish to here, moved to there. That would have tracked down to there. Great, guess what? Now this also tracks to here, right? So we have hidden bullish again, took a pop, rejected the 20, and guess what? We went lower. Great, and what do? More negative momentum. And lower on the RSI. See how this hidden bullish divergence kept on tracking. Now we got a small pump, right? And moving down a little bit. So let's see, dude. Do we have something here? High, low, positive, less positive. Assume that a lot. High, lower, high. Nothing bearish right now. Don't drop lower in the previous low. Could be continuation. Neutral at 52.86. So Aave is not bad. It's following Uni for some reason. I'm not sure why it's following Uni, but Carthago, I'm gonna go to sleep. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. Patrick Rancor, you almost missed the stream. Thank you for being here. Ha! Your wife is happy that you're going to bed. Thank you, Alan Luciani, for that, man. I really appreciate that. That's funny. Now let's move on to Silica and link up for our buddy Apostolic Mind. I'm not sure if you're still with us, Apostolic, but if you're with us, man, we're gonna do those. We're gonna do those coins. Neutral at 53.42. Let's go to Silica. Silica starting to move down again. Potential double bottom. It's really not coming into fruition as a double bottom. It's still being built, right? But you know, that's what I was looking for. Nothing else developing here on the daily. So neutral at 47.92. Again, we're within this channel, right? That's 66.5 cent to 8.9 cents. Sorry, not that here. 7.1, right? That's where we're balancing around. Sorry, Apostolic, for some reason, Timebot, you did something, or you typed something. I'm not sure why I did that. Oh, too many symbols. But at least I know you're here, man. Thanks, much appreciated. Almost at 2K subs. Are we really? We've been near 2K subs for a while, dude. We just, like, this last couple days, we've been struggling to, like, bring in subs. We started at 1,934. We're at 1,941. So yeah, like not even 10 subs tonight. I guess because the markets are a little bit boring, right? They're not moving a lot, and a lot of people are not, like, probably a lot of you guys that already come here, you know, like already found the stream, but there's people still out there that haven't found it, and it's gonna take them time, probably a pump or dump for them to come in, and we can keep on growing. But it's gonna be interesting once we get more people in here. Like, the markets needs to move, I think, so we can get more subs in. Kelton Chavez, thanks for being here, man. Nick came yesterday. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, dude, it's just weird. We're like we didn't even get to 100 likes today. We just stopped at 72 likes, which again, it's fine. I assume we're gonna get days like this sometimes when the markets are slow. High, low, positive, less positive, high, there are such lower point. Nothing here in Silica that is bearish. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, there's a lower point. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Neutral at 42.66. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I thought we were gonna break it before Friday, or sorry, by the weekend, but we didn't. And now, sure, I hope that we break it this week, hopefully. But the markets just moving sideways don't really help out a lot. You know, low, high, negative, more negative, low, lower, right? High, low, positive, positive, high, low, low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. Nothing really bullish right now here on Silica. It just took a drop. Wouldn't even have bearish divergence for this drop, right? So it could be that it's just following the rest of the market, or we might have something on the half-hour chart. I'm not sure. High, low, possible spot. Even here, we don't have anything. Short term, we do have some strong bullish here in the half hour. Again, I really very rarely come here to the half hour charts. $28.64, $28.93. There we go, man. All right, have that strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside, moving up, getting above this resistance at 6.5 cents. That's it for Silica, right? Sub count is showing sideways trading. I know, dude. That is precisely what it's looking like right now. Let's break the 2K sub resistance. I know. It's a tough resistance, dude, right? Anyways, up next, link up. After link up is RDD, then Neo, and I think my wife's gonna be happy that the stream might be done before midnight tonight. High, low, positive. Let's go on the daily first. Still on link up. What the? Let's go link up. There we go. Let's still on link up. There we go. Right on. So on the 4 hour, let's go on the daily. High, higher, positives, positive, right? So strong bearish divergence on link up. Potential action to the downside. Sitting at $17.25. Again, we have the strong bearish against the MACD and the RSI. And moving down for the third day in a row here on link up. Neutral at 57.48. I'm not going farther back. Last thing we had was this bullishness, and it's pumped, so that's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. Happy wife, happy life. I agree, man. On the 4 hour here, we had some bearish divergence. And all of you guys don't care about what happened in the past. Sometimes I like to check it out. Sometimes I don't like to check it out. It just really depends. High, low, right? Strong bearish divergence, move down. And then we created some strong bullish divergence. I like to look at the past sometimes when I get a picture of the flow for a project. Some projects, sometimes I'm not that interested to get a picture of the flow, and you guys usually just care about what's going to happen next, not what happened in the past. So sometimes for me, this is more for me sometimes than looking at back here. But for you, it's like learning what to look for when you do divergences, right? Strong bearish, strong bullish, strong bearish divergence again, right? We don't have anything else short term. We don't have it against, we also have it against the RSI. Wow, surprise. Strong bearish divergence, action downside, moving down, low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Nothing there. Neutral 50.37, right? Julian Kurtz, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Let's roll. Let's go to RDD, man. Oh, dude, RDD, why do you punish me doing this? Guys, this is flat. We looked at this the other day. I'm not gonna do RDD, man. Someone requested RDD. It's insane to do this, man. It's like not possible. It's just going flat. We had bullish divergence, we pumped, then we broke down, then we're moving between 3 and 4 sets, right? It's like, I cannot chart this. It's neutral at 44.29. It's blocky movement, dude, right? Look at this. It's just like a flat line. There's nothing here. Look at this. That's it. Like the MACD and the RSI are not even moving. So I'm not gonna do RDD, guys. Let's go to Neo. There's nothing to do here. Not because I don't want to do it. It's just there's nothing to do here. Look, low, high, sideways. There's nothing there. Just flatlining all over the place. Dude, let's keep rolling. Sure, bro. After Neo, I still gotta do markets. So I guess I could do Bitcoin to gold. Someone do gold. Let's go do Neo. Which pill do you want, Neo? Something like that. Neo USD. Here we go. Dude, have we never looked at Neo here? Yeah, it's interesting. We haven't looked at Neo. I could have sworn we looked at Neo at least once on this channel, but apparently not. Let's go on the daily at $23.20. All right, first things I'm noticing here, strong bearish divergence, potential action to downside. I'm actually gonna throw fibs for this. Just I want to see how it's doing, but strong bearish divergence, right? Potential action to the downside, we're moving down, and then we're creating this. Gonna have to check here. Hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We moved up, now we're moving down slightly, breaking below that 20. Not the best. Neutral at 54.24. So below the 20, we're rejecting it. It could mean that we might want to move down more on Neo. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, high, low, also positive, high, low. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. I'm not saying anything bullish or bearish here in the short term. And short term, I'm talking about January the 18th till now. So I'm going to go to the 1 hour. And then I'm going to go do fibs, right? Let's see, low, lower. Again, like a couple of other projects just here on this last bit. Right, following Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptos with this strong bullish divergence. Bitcoin had hidden bullish here, but a couple of the other projects had this strong bearish divergence here, right? And we might also have it here. Let's see, 27.73 and 27.60. So 27.73, 27.60, slightly lower. We don't have it there. Again, strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Potential fraction to the upside. It's fine. High, low, low, high, bearish divergence up here for the movement down, right? What's it for Neo right now? Here, let's go check out some fibs for Neo, man. Neo fibs. What are we gonna fib to, man? Where's Neo at? Do we have fibs that we can use? Yeah, probably. Very likely. I'm actually gonna fib from here on. Not sure what date this is, but I guess this would make sense here. On May 2018, that's what we're gonna use as the local high right now. Insane, I cannot pinpoint this, man. I'm gonna actually have to zoom in here a lot. There we go. Now let's try to anchor the bottom here. Right, so I'm gonna zoom out. Oh, do we have a lower low here? I didn't. I think it's the one I pinpointed. That's fine. Rejecting the 236, right? We were unable to sustain that area, so interesting. I thought we were gonna be above this area, but we're not. We're rejecting it, and we're below 20. We could be looking for a potential movement down on Neo still before we actually try to pump back up. That's it for Neo. Let's run through the markets, and then I'll do Bitcoin to gold real quick. It is Monday. We got to do markets. We got to see where the markets are at. It is Monday. Been a long day. Gold at 1,857. What's it doing? It's moving down, still below the 20 after we rejected. What? We don't have anything else going on here. Low, high, negative, less negative. Neutral at 48.09. Silver at $25.33 per ounce. Hidden bullish. Got above that 1618 here. Rejected the 20, starting to move down slightly. We don't have anything else. Neutral at 48.59. The Dow lost 37 points today. Again, bearish divergence moving down on that. Great, we knew. We could get that possibility. We did get that small movement down. Neutral 58.80. The Dow Live still losing 150 points already on the live market and breaking below at 20. This could be an indicator as to where we're going to open tomorrow. So keep an eye out for the US 30 if you want to know where the market's going to open. S&P up 13 points. Again, still below the previous high. So still strong bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. Bought at 66.65. So it held a little better than the Dow Jones. London down 88 points. Oh no, it broke below the 20. Damn. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on their side to a higher point. The Nikkei. Bearish divergence, right? We did manage to come slightly higher. We still have this move here and this strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. Let's see if it's going to materialize into action to the downside. Gaining 190 points today. Toronto up 60 points. Did we? No, we had bearish divergence, move down. We hit the 20, try to bounce. That's fine. Neutral at 58.45. Oil at $52 for West Texas, $52.29. Again, bearish divergence, move down. We haven't quite hit the 20. That was the primary target. Low, high, negative. Are we doing more negative? That's the question. Nope, slightly less. But this is fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other hard point. Neutral at 59.46. Brent oil at $55.42. Again, same move. near the 20, not quite there yet. Negative, we're actually gonna have to check here. I'm gonna have to measure 0.23, 0.22, slightly less. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Neutral at 59.06. So nothing bullish right now for oil. Tristan, 10 out of 10 for doing the markets. Thanks, man. I should run through quick markets on the stream. Sometimes when there's a lot of requests, I don't get a chance to run through the markets, but we usually do the markets and we just do them like flash, right? I mean, because it's just the main markets. So if you gotta look at something in detail, we just like go through that asset if it gets requested, right? But yeah, that's it, dude. Let's look something else. Let's look at Bitcoin to gold, right? Bitcoin to gold at 17.35. So that means you need 17.36 units of gold to buy 1 Bitcoin. Interesting. Hidden bullish, took a small pop. Great, that's it. I'm moving sideways right now. Neutral at 48.08. I'm not going to do shorter time scales on the daily. I don't think we need to go any lower than that. And at least for Bitcoin to gold, because I'm not sure you guys are trading Bitcoin to gold, but that's it. I think we're gonna end it there, man. Might wait for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go hang out in the chat real quick, see where Bitcoin's gonna be at by the time we hit midnight, and then I'm gonna sign off. Francisco Pena, what? Wait, what? I'm here. What do you need? Looking at the chat though right now, hanging out for a little bit. Bitcoin is slightly clawing its way back up. Guy Freak, you missed Neo? Oh, just Neo. I'll do a quick recap for you, man. I think you missed a lot. I'll do a recap of Bitcoin Ethereum. I'll do Neo first real quick for that. Neo. What do you guys usually watch? I need to know, just as a curiosity. Do you guys watch on TV, cell phone, or computer? It's something that I kind of need to know because I'm thinking about how to design the layout. And I'm worried that if you're watching on a cell phone, you're not going to get the best stream quality because it's going to be a little bit small if I redesign. So we might, if you're in the Discord, we're going to probably put a poll up there. I need to know how many of you guys are watching on a mobile because I really need to make sure that if you're watching on a mobile, you're getting a little bit like a similar experience. Right? Tablet. All right. So I'm trying to gauge the size of the screen, Kelton. So for you, like some of the things here might be slow, so I cannot make them a lot slower. Yeah, I'll do a poll. A lot of people are saying PC, so that gives me we'll see, right? Above mode, mainly cell phone, right? I do consume a lot of stuff on the cell phone more than on the TV actually, or the PC, at least for YouTube. So I'm like more of a mobile YouTube user than a cell phone. So I'm concerned about how things look on a cell phone. And if they look good on a cell phone, they're probably going to look really good on a PC or a TV. But some of the elements are really small on a cell phone. For example, that square that we have up there in the corner, the yellow one, it's too tiny for a cell phone. You cannot read it. So I'm trying to see if I can, with some CSS, maybe redesign how that looks and then have it, appear different. Guy Freak says, the phone screen is too small for my boomer eyes. Anyways. Awesome. Let's keep rolling. Neo real quick. What do we had for Neo, man? Again, hidden bullish, taking a pop, rejecting the 236. That's it. Hidden bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we didn't have anything in the short term, right? So everything was cool. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. High, low, positive was positive, high, low. So let's go to the 1 hour. In the 1 hour, we had hidden bearish divergence, fraction to downside. Now we're creating strong bullish, taking that small pop. Right now, trying to recover, probably because Bitcoin's also trying to recover. But, if you want to look at Neo, just follow Bitcoin. It's going to give you a good clue as to what it might do. Again, very quick recap. Sold at 38.92. Let's go back to Bitcoin. I do believe we're going to have supports. If we drop Francisco Peña, we were probably going to have supports. I don't think it's gonna be a quick drop. Look, Bitcoin going positive again. Great, because it was red. So it's 30,185. Let's see if we can keep on going up. Again, remember, hidden bullish at support, right? So on the daily, hidden bullish. Again, trying to hold on to this channel. 33,090 to 31,432. Again, it's a white channel, but it is what we have. Yeah, no problem, Guy Freak. Anyways, hidden bearish, moving us down, starting to undo the previous candle, which is gonna be good. If this candle turns green and it ends up eating this whole candle, that will be a bullish engulfing candle, and that's usually a bullish indicator of a potential reversal in trend, and we might get this. Like for example, this, right? Look, this candle ate this candle on the green, right? It was much larger than the previous 4-hour candle. Bullish engulfing action to the upside. Here we had a bullish hammer forming here. Fraction to the upside. Back here. So also bullish hammer, bullish engulfing, and moving up. So great. Some people would also try to call this a potential morning star or something like that. It just really depends. Right now I'm too tired to remember if this is a morning star or a bullish hammer, man. I think morning star needs to be different, but I'm tempted to call it a bullish hammer, because that's what it looks like. And the morning star, it's a little bit different. Yeah, the morning star's a little bit different, but it's there. I think for the morning star, the next candle needs to be a little bit higher, and it could work as a morning star, right? But see, this is a morning star, right? You have a red candle, a green candle, or red. This could be green or red, doesn't matter. And you have a green candle, but this one has to be engulfing, or not engulfing, but strong bullish, right? And then the hammer. I just look. There's a bullish hammer, right? Like we're in a trend, and then we have this small hammer building here, which is a body without almost nothing to the top, and then just a large wick to the bottom. So the morning star could work as a hammer, sort of. So yeah, this is a morning star pattern on the candles, I guess. But it's a bullish hammer I'm looking at. So yeah, they both look very similar, and they tend to be reversals. So yeah, my mind's starting to go. Let's keep rolling. Let's finish this. Yeah, Bitcoin count's about to close. That's why we're doing Bitcoin. But this is a 4-hour candle, right? Not the 1-hour candle. The 1-hour candle, Bitcoin's still there. Hidden bullish divergence, action to the upside. We didn't bullishly engulf the previous candle, right? We did do the piercing candle. Got more than halfway through, but not a bullish engulfing. Right now, we're still going up slightly. Nick Coltish, wow, thank you for that information, very helpful. Yeah, check that out. Like, I'll get post links on the Discord. Bullish hammer or morning stars. Evening stars would be kind of like this one here. Evening star, and then it starts a bear trend. I was gonna say something and I forgot. Oh, that's Bitcoin. I'm gonna do Ethereum real quick, and then I'm gonna come back to Bitcoin for the closing. Ethereum at 1,340. Great. It's still holding on beautifully. Again, trying to go green still. Awesome. Neutral at 44.85 on that strong bullish divergence. Right, like a couple of the projects also created this. Let's see if we can manifest this into more price action to the upside. Back to Bitcoin. I got pinged in the vault. What? Jake, did you ping me on the Discord for the vault? I'm not sure what. Realize they're cracking. You think you must be watching instead of Crypto stream also. What? Not sure what's going on. Yeah, no worries, AD. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I really appreciate y'all for being here and the awesome support that you give to this channel. Yeah, that's about to close the candle. Just waiting for it to like go. All right. Oh, good night, young Kangi. I'm almost done, dude. I just wanted 4 seconds for this to like move, and that's it. I'm out. New candle, open up. So we closed green for a second time. It didn't bullish engulf on the 4 hour. We'll pull back down a little bit towards the end. That is sad. I was really on the 4 hour. We still have 2 more hours to go, but on the 1 hour, we're still not pushing higher. So we'll see how this next 2 hours go. All right, pull back down slightly, but let's see if we can manage to go higher, and then we're still gonna have the 20 as resistance as we move up there. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you for being here, guys, for this awesome stream. Again, this is Instead of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It was a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. We're trying to build the most awesome crypto community out there. So bring your friends over, bring your family over, whoever you want to get into crypto, bring them over. Yeah, this is all for educational and entertainment purpose only. If you like what we do, recommend us. If you believe that someone can benefit from this, share our links on social media, join us on the Discord. Don't trade based on what you see here. Like I said, it's all for entertainment and education purpose only. And I think that's it, dude. Trade at your own risk. Peace, love, and hodl, like Jake just said. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another edition of Instead of Crypto. Until then.